So, you're thinking about becoming a software licensing consultant? Here's how to do it, and what really matters. First, pick your vendor. You can't be a generalist at the start. Choose a focus like Oracle, Microsoft, SAP, or IBM, somewhere you already have hands-on experience. Most consultants start because they used to work in-house managing licenses, or even worked for the vendor themselves. Second, master the contracts. Don't just know the products. Study the actual license agreements, support policies, and audit clauses. That's where the real value is. If you don't understand what's in the fine print, you can't advise clients or defend them during audits. Third, get your hands dirty with real data. Learn to analyze deployments, calculate license requirements, and use tools like Flexera, Snow, or even Oracle LMS scripts. If you can't convert raw server data into licensing insights, clients won't trust your recommendations. Fourth, build credibility. That means case studies, articles, webinars, anything that shows you're an expert. Many consultants start by freelancing, working with other firms, or offering license reviews as a service. Tip: align yourself with SAM teams, procurement, or legal. They're the gatekeepers who will hire you. And finally, stay independent. Your value comes from working for the customer, not pushing vendor agendas. That's what sets real licensing consultants apart, okay? It's not easy, but if you have the vendor knowledge and contract skills, it's a highly valuable and rewarding niche.